Welcome to my 5-star restaurant. Today I'll be preparing a breakfast meal for you. A toast with two different styles of bread, a brioche style and a croissant style toast. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to the gang. All the ingredients I'll be using today, I'll be using some French vanilla cream, cinnamon, vanilla, almond, eggs. The sugar is already in the cream, so no need to add any additional sugar. The creamer is already sweetened. I used a little flour, a little cinnamon powder, a little allspice, and my syrup, and a little butter that I will be using. After cracking my eggs, I remove the little white portion from the eggs, which tends to be a little raw, and yes, these are real eggs. I beat this to mix this out. Then I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it. Then I added my 1/2 teaspoon flour, just to help to give this a little body, more body. And in between, I'm also making my 5-star serving dish, prepping it. Here I added in the liquid. You want to make sure you mix this in after adding in cinnamon and some allspice, almond and vanilla, and I did a 1/2 teaspoon of both. You mix this out because there might be little lumps in it from the flour, so you want to make sure you mix this out thoroughly. And I do warm my syrup. I like my syrup warm. Once my batter is thorough, I added a little bit of avocado oil along with the butter to help with sticking. So the first bread I added in the liquid is the croissant toast. And then this one is the brioche style bread. There are different texture, and I know they'll come out different. Once this was done, I just made my dish. I'm having a little fun with this. So this first one is the croissant toast. Tasted okay, but my favorite was the brioche style bread for my French toast. Tasted different, tasted much better to me, and I preferred this as a go-to. Thank you for stopping by my 5-star restaurant today. I do hope today that you too can, or you will try this recipe. My ingredients will be in the description box. Welcome all the newbies to my channel. Please remember to give me a like. Thank you.